Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard, so for example messages or the settings. And now let's enter this settings icon. Let me quickly remove this theme. Okay, apply. And as I said, let's enter the settings and enter languages at the top. Now tap on add language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it and choose the specific region. Now you can mark the keyboard layout you want to use and tap on done. As you can see, the language has been immediately applied. So now let's go back to the keyboard, and basically here we've got new option, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the keyboard. So right now we've got English layout, and after tapping on it we've got our new one. So this is how it works. Now let's go to the settings, tap on the languages, and let me show you how to remove the language. So simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.